Lawyer asks SC to direct Senate to proceed with impeachment trial. A lawyer has filed petition for mandamus before the Supreme Court to seek a court order for the Senate to immediately act on the impeachment case against Sara Duterte. Ang nagkaso, ang pangalan niya, isang abogado na si Catalino Generillo Jr. asked the High Court to issue a writ of mandamus so that senators will immediately constitute themselves into an impeachment court and forthwith conduct a public trial following the filing of the impeachment case by the House of Representatives. Yung ang usapan dito ay yung sinabi ng ating konstitusyon tungkol sa impeachment na forthwith. Sa interpretation ng abogado na si Attorney Generillo, ang ibig sabihin doon nito ay immediately, at once, instantly, straight away. Mandamus po, literal na ibig sabihin niya, if I'm not mistaken, is to compel, pupuwersahin, pipilitin ang isang opisyal, korte, korporasyon, board, para gawin ang kanyang trabaho. Yun lang yung mandamus.